Hi, in this video we are gonna see the argue with me before I post page. So this is a page on Brevv, if you don't know about Brevv, which basically contains my own framework, my own agent, which actually cross questions me all the time whenever I have to take any strategic decision or go into any partnership meeting or go into some kind of decision making with my co-founders or my investors. I have hosted my agent, my prompt, my instruction on this page for you to access it, for you to go through it, for you to submit it and get the value from it. In return, I would also give you my own feedback based upon my experience because this is the first way in which we can interact passively. We don't need to rely on one-on-one communications. We don't need to rely on emails. We just know what my agent has referred you. I know your context and I would revert you with my feedback. In order to run this, you just need to unlock it. Unlock means just log in it with your credentials. So I have already logged in with my account here. I can see. So if you also want to run this agent, run this prompt, just download it, feed it into a cloud project, feed it into your custom GPT, or give it to your Cloud Cowork to make it as a skill for you, or create a standalone agent which you can call from anywhere, from any of the chat or from your own tools. The main purpose here for this is it would give you 5 hard questions with rebuttals so that you actually would know where this thing can go wrong. Let's see how this works. So what position do I want to stress test? Let me just copy paste this example right away. How do you want this pushed? I want rooted. What domain this position lives in? That's a GTM strategy for me. Which angles should be used? Okay, this is interesting. I can actually pick different personas to see where they can push me. So historical is important, devil's advocate is important, customer's voice is important, first principle is important. Let's also take second order and opportunity on. Okay, I have already ruled out going hybrid. Okay, let's put this as an example again. Who are you presenting this position? Let me say my co-founder. So what it would do, this would run on the cloud on my agent. This would give you output. In return, I would also see about your challenges so that I can also give advice on top of what my agent has already recommended you. And once you run this, I also have another offer that I would send you a swipe file of 20 of my best performing comments so that you can also give it to your agent, your own comment agent. I have written a newsletter on Comment OS, which you would see here. I would just put it. And directly you can also use it to build your social reach among target accounts. And I would always suggest just download it or make a copy of it. If you also want to see other of my agent pages, my prompt pages, or my framework pages, you can also check out my profile on Brave. It has everything: clarity check, B2B newsletter, competitive landscape audit, reverse engineer any comment, argue with me, something which we have done right now, knowledge based diagnosis, pressure map, stress test. You can run any of this. Also, you can book a free GTM meeting with me if you want further help. Let's see what it has written. Okay, it has written. So, okay, I would always suggest if you can't read this, just copy it and give it to AI, that it would further summarize. Okay, I gave this signal. The steel man paid channel economics is broken when CPMs rise faster than conversion rates improve, and that's almost certainly what's happened. 5 hard questions. Question 2 from Devil's Advocate. Question 3 from Customer's Voice. Question 4 from Second Order Consequence. Question 5 from Opportunity. The one question that actually threatens my position is position assumes a clean pivot, but a 40% paid cut at a platform scale triggers audience decay and creative staleness faster than content. This is something that I didn't think of. So this is how it works. And Once you submit this, I will also respond to you with my feedback within 24 hours. Along with it, I would also send you a swipe file of my 20 top comments for you to further refer. Thank you. See you next time.